The Star News Network was on scene at the Supreme Court Monday as activists from the left and the right gathered to learn if the justices would publish their decision on Dobbs versus Jackson that would effectively overturn Roe versus Wade and send the question of abortion limits back to the states. So, according to the CDC, about 99.98% of pregnancies are successful without any sort of complications. How does that tie into what you feel and what your opinion is?
That's fantastic. If that is what a woman wants, and I hope that she has a healthy pregnancy. Everybody here, every single person here on both sides hopes for that 100%. Anybody who wants to be pregnant should have a healthy pregnancy. I hope that we can give women, the support that they need to have a healthy pregnancy if that's what they choose to do. I'm absolutely in support of a healthy pregnancy if that's what a woman chooses to do. That's fantastic.
And just one last question here. So according to the CDC, there's a lot of talk about how thousands of women died from illegal abortions before Roe v. Wade. But in reality, it's about 10 per year that happened before Roe v. Wade. How does that make you feel as someone who's part of the pro-choice movement?
Could I get a source on that?
Yeah, it's the CDC, Center of Disease Control.
Said which part? That it was 10 women who died before Roe v. Wade?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to need to see that source, which I sure you acknowledge as a journalist. I don't think it really matters. I think that if a woman chooses to have an abortion, she should be able to. And if she doesn't, then she shouldn't. And that's her choice. Regardless of what the statistics say, it is still her right to choose.
We're here because today could be one of the days that Roe v. Wade is possibly overturned. So we're super excited for the possibility of that.
Yeah, abortion is the greatest human injustice of our lifetime, so we're really looking forward to finally Roe going in the ash heap of history.
Absolutely.
So what do you think about the whole argument that thousands of women, died before the overturning of Roe v. Wade from illegal abortions, but in reality it's more like 10 per year according to the CDC? How does that make you feel about what these guys are saying?
Absolutely furious, but also sad for them. One of the biggest things we've seen is that most people on the pro-abortion side are just horribly miseducated. We were here about a month ago for the Bands Off Our Bodies rally, and I walked around just showing people a simple video of what an abortion procedure is, and I can't tell you how many people left right then. They traveled from states away to be here for this rally, and the second they knew what an abortion actually was, they left. They didn't want to be a part of it anymore. So many people don't understand.
As you can tell, it's all based on a lie. They tell women that they need abortion in order to succeed, which is so not true. Women are way more powerful. They should embrace motherhood, embrace their fertility, and not reject it.
Reporting for the Star News Network, Joanna Miller, Washington, D.C.